What's up, guys? All right, so today in SoCal it is hot. It's like 90 something degrees, but really feels like 100 because of the friggin' humidity. So what better day to go for a ride and test out whether or not removing the mid-frame deflectors has the impact that I'm hoping it might have on cooling down my engine since we've added on the tank lift. So let's just cancel that out, see how it goes. In the meantime, enjoy the ride.
All right, guys, so we've been riding for probably about 45 minutes, and like I said, it's extremely hot. The sun ain't have no mercy on us, and we've gone east. So going east from where I'm at is up into, I don't know, I guess you could say mountain desert. I don't know what you call it. But so far what we've seen is I got the engine heat to peak at 380 and realized I didn't have the vents open on my lowers. I opened that up, immediately dropped to 368. Now we're sitting at around 372 or something like that. So it's still running hot. Taking off the deflectors doesn't make a huge difference, those mid frames. So we'll take it for that. But since we're out here on the road, I figure we'll go check out an abandoned amusement park here in El Cajon, California. I've heard about it, never been there, so let's check it out. I think it might be cool to take a look at.
All right, guys, so this is it's called Marshall Scotty's Playland, and apparently this place opened up in 1967, but it closed in 1998. So some of the old rides are still here, it looks like. Obviously they don't want anybody parking here, and I guess they do something around Halloween time because it is set up as a haunted deal. So really interesting. See what we can see a little bit here. Not a whole bunch, but yeah, look at that. Like out of a movie, huh? So pretty cool. So it is privately owned. You can't just go in there. They probably, call the cops on you or whatever, but yeah. And it looks like people got in there and ruined it, right? Started tearing it up the place instead of just appreciating kind of what it is. And then you got like a way up on the top of the hill, some kind of motorhome RV feel. Maybe it's the owners. It gives them great view. But yeah, this is wild. Be cool. We're not gonna enter their property out of respect. Right on.
All right, so we just took a look at the haunted amusement park here. Haunted, abandoned, whatever you want to call it. And in that short period of time, our temp for the engine dropped to 303 degrees. It literally was maybe a 10-minute break with the motor off. So we'll see how it does all the way home.
All right, guys, so there you go. Check it out. Tried it without the mid-frame deflectors, air deflectors, and didn't make a difference. They ran a little bit cooler on my way home, but not, it was like at 340, which is what our baseline was without the tank lift and with the air deflectors installed. So we obviously didn't make any progress. I'm thinking the next solution may be to remove the lowers, because fortunately they do block a lot of air. That's literally their purpose. Yeah, so that'll be something on a later video. Our next ride video, we're gonna stop boring you with the dirt terrain that we have around here, and let's enjoy a little bit of that blue ocean called the Pacific Ocean. Until that next video does post though, I hope to see you in the wind.